Talked about the structure for the past continuous, that how can you make questions using when, where, why for the past continuous. And the structure was like how, was, or were, and then followed by these pronouns. So first, you need to give me a sentence and I will change it into interrogative, and then I will give you a sentence and you need to change that particular sentence into interrogative. Are you ready? Climbing a mountain, man.
He was climbing a mountain.
He was climbing a mountain. How was he climbing a mountain? Where was he climbing a mountain? What time was he climbing a mountain? When was he climbing a mountain? Why was he climbing a mountain? Who was he climbing a mountain with? Now I am going to give you a sentence and you need to change that particular sentence into interrogative. She was playing football.
Who was she playing with? Where was she playing? What time was she playing? When was she playing? And why was she playing? Who was she playing with?
Yes, who was she playing with or who was playing? Give him the mic. Okay, your sentence is was chasing the goat. I was chasing the goat. Start.
How was I chasing a goat?
How was I chasing the goat?
Where was I chasing a goat?
Where was I chasing the
What
goat?
time was I chasing a goat?
What time was I chasing the goat?
When was I chasing a goat?
Good.
Why
When
was
I chasing the goat?
why was I chasing a goat?
Why was I chasing the goat?
Who chasing a goat?
Who was chasing the goat?
Who was chasing a goat?
She was washing the clothes.
How was she washing the clothes?
How was she washing the clothes?
Where was she washing the clothes?
Where was she washing the clothes?
What time was she washing the clothes?
Yes, what time was she washing the clothes?
When was she washing the clothes?
When was she washing the clothes?
Why was she washing the clothes?
Why was she washing the clothes?
Who was she washing the clothes with?
Well done. Who was she washing
Washing
the
the
clothes
clothes
with?
with.
Well, she was attending the meeting.
She was attending the meeting.
Yes, she was attending.
How was she attending the meeting?
How was she attending?
Where was she attending the meeting? What time was she attending the meeting? When was she attending the meeting? Why was she attending the meeting? Who was she attending the meeting with?
Who was she attending the meeting with? Well done. Give him the mic. They were opening the door. They were opening the door.
How were they opening the door? Where were they opening the door? What time were they opening the door? When were they opening the door? Why were they opening the door? Who were they opening the door with?